most of the time,
Yeah.
that's going to soften the child's heart.
No, I found that, leading with vulnerability also, that, even coming to your child who's rejected you 1,000 times, I think there's probably a reason that you haven't wanted me around.
Yeah.
And I would like to try something new so that you're sort of alerting them that a shift might have happened. And just listen to you tell me, what are some of the ways I've made it hard for you to feel safe talking with me? And then you make a commitment, and I'm not going to interrupt you or defend myself. I really want to listen. It can actually be astounding for a youngster to hear that.
Well, that's the same advice, almost verbatim, that I've given to a lot of parents.
Great.
And adding though that don't say it unless you mean it. Like don't say it unless you're emotionally ready for it. So you
Great.
gotta do the work internally that I
Yeah.
can sit there and hear some painful accusations that may not even be accurate, but they represent the child's emotional reality, and I can hear them, acknowledge them, and receive
Yeah.
them without defending or arguing, without becoming hurt and
Yeah.
constricted. If you're not
Yeah.
ready for that, don't issue
Yeah.
that invitation.
Thank you. Yeah, that's really important. And that's where we have this opportunity ourselves, motivated by the love we have for our children or our
Yeah.
teens, to do the work.